Hey everyone, I'm Katrina, the owner of Kathiem Creations, Reefs and Things. How is everybody doing? Today I wanted to do a video showing you guys how to make these very inexpensive lamp stands into balloon column stands or table centerpiece stands. Would you ever think to use the lamp stands that you can get at Walmart for a balloon column stand or a centerpiece stand? I'm going to show you how in this video. These are really inexpensive. Like I said, they're from Walmart. I think they are $9.98. They come in different colors, finishes. So they have them in white, they have them in black. I think a brown and a silver so far have been the four colors that I've seen them come in. And once again, these are in the lamp section of your Walmart. And this is just a simple stand. It has twist-on pieces that you add. And I think these are, it's like 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces. When you put it all together, it's like 5.5 feet tall when you put all the pieces together. But of course, when you're making your designs, you can take off and add as many as you need, right? But it only comes with 6. So just know with the box that you come with, it comes with 6, right? It comes with 6, and it's about 5.5 feet as the way it is out of the box. So I'm gonna show you guys how to put it together. Now we're in my work area, my staging area in my basement, and I have 2 of these lamp stands, these lamps from Walmart. So this is how it comes, and this is what it looks like. If you guys want to screenshot that, you can. That's it. I have already bought 2 of these lamp stands that were white, and now I have 2 that are black. So this is what they look like. They're in Walmart, and we're going to go ahead and open them up, and we're going to put them together. So what you're going to need for this project is like wire cutters of some sort, because you got to cut the wires from the stand, and then some regular scissors just to open up the box. So we're just going to open up the box. Take the scissors. So how is everybody doing? I hope everybody is doing good. Once you come on and watch the video, make sure you say hello. Make sure you let me know who you are and where you're watching the video from. And let me know if you do any crafts. I want to know. I didn't tell you in the beginning, I'm the owner of Kathiem Creations, Reefs and Things. And I do reef work as well. I make reefs for all seasons and reasons. And I also decorate for parties. I do balloon work for parties. So when you open up your box, this is how it comes. This is the lampshade. You're not going to need that right now. So you can disregard that. You can discard that, toss it to the side. Not worrying about that. Now you're going to have all these little pieces in here. Don't worry about that. Get rid of all of those. You don't need the instructions because you're not using it as a lamp, right? You don't need this part right here because this is actually with the bulb underneath the lamp lid is. You don't really need that. But everything is connected right now. So you just pull all of this out. This bottom part right here, toss to the side. Don't need that. So now you have your base, which I'm going to take out of the plastic. Put these scissors down. So this is your base. Let's work on the base, right? So this is where the cord that you plug into the wall. You don't need that, right? So this is where I say you need your wire cutters. You then go closest to the base, then you snip it off. You don't need it. You're not using it as a lamp. That wire comes out. You're done with the wires, right? So then this is the base. You put the base down. And now, since you've cut that wire that went through all the poles, just pull the poles like this. Pull the wire through the poles. Disregard that wire and that top part. You're done. So now you just take the plastic off of these poles. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like I said, it comes with 6 of these pieces that you just twist on. And I'm going to show you how it looks. See how it's got tread right here at the top? I don't know if you guys can see that really well, but it's got tread. See? And you just twist it into each other. Let me show you. Take the black end, which I'm going to show you, because at the base, it actually has the tread. So let me correct myself. The base actually already has the tread. So you take the end, this end, right, without the tread, and you twist it on. So now you have the tread at the top, right? So then you go and you get another one. It says the thread at the end, this threaded part is where you twist everything on. You take the other part that don't have that out. And I don't know the technical terms, I'm sorry. I just know how to put it together and it works. And it's great. So you got 2 pieces on. And you do this throughout. So now we're on piece number 3. Three, 4, and this is 5 and 6. Just going to show you all 6 together. This is all 6 together in this video. And then I'm going to do another video, come back and show you guys how to do the balloon column with this. So this is it. That's it. This is all you need to make a balloon column. That's it. That's how you put it together. Now let's do it one more. Here's the box. Once again, that's what the box looks like. Mainstay from Walmart. I think it's $9.98. Let's open up the box. Hey everybody, let me know when you're watching. Say hello. Let me know if you do any crafts, what kind of crafts you do. We're going to disregard the box. We're going to cut this off. And this is how it comes. Packaged like that. You open it up. And that's how it is packed. You don't need the instructions because we're not using it as a lamp. You don't need the lampshade because, like I say, you're not using it as a lamp. All these other little pieces, just disregard them. And then you can pull out everything else. Right? This is everything else. This is where the bulb goes into. You're not going to need that. But I'll show you how we get rid of that. This is the base. So we take the plastic off the base. We toss that. So you have the cord to go into the wall. You have the cord that goes up in the lampstand. Let me show you how to get it out. Once again, you take your wire cutters. Okay? Don't try to do it with scissors. Do it with wire cutters. Okay? None of this is plugged in, so we ain't got to worry about no electricity. This is right out the box. You take your wire cutters and you go as close to that as possible. And you cut it off. Right? So you've cut that piece off and you just pull the wire through. Now you have a solid base. This base is pretty, it's got some nice weight to it. Right? So it's got some nice weight to it. So we place this on the ground. And now we have the tubing that makes the actual stand. like we did for the first one, right? So all we do is just pull the wire through the tubing. All of this, toss to the side. Don't have to worry about it. These are the tubing pieces which you need. So you pull off the plastic to them, toss the plastic to the side. You don't need it. And you got your 6 pieces. Once again, it comes with 6 pieces. Okay. And it's about 5.5 feet in height when you have it all together. So just know that, like if you ask to make a balloon column, right, and you only want a 4-foot balloon column, measure how many of these you need to connect to get to that 4 feet. But no, if they want a balloon topper, that's another 12 inches if it's an 11-inch balloon topper. Nevertheless, if it's a 3-inch balloon topper, a 3-foot balloon topper, that's 3 feet. So you don't have to go up that far to get to that 4 feet in height, okay? So here we are. We're going to attach it. Once again, we're going to take the base. And remember, the base already has a thread on it. The thread on it, rather. So you take this part and you just twist it onto the base. And then this has the thread on it. So then you just twist on the next piece. And you just keep going. This is so easy. And these things are so convenient. Ever since I've gotten hooked on them, I try to use these as much as possible. And you kind of got to put the thread on, put it down good, evenly. I have it up in my hand, so it's not, there you go. It's not going evenly, so you may have to put it down to twist it on. And you give it a good twist. Like, you don't have to make it extremely tight, just give it a good twist. But these are so convenient. Being that they only $10, and you can get the white, you can get brown, you can get silver, any color you want. They're very easy and simple to use as a balloon column stand or as a balloon centerpiece stand. Now we have 2 of them sitting right here that we just put together. Now look at this. You see how they bounce around? See how they bounce around? You see how far that went? They're excellent, like for parties. Because if a kid just bumps into it just slightly, it's not going to toss over right away. You got to bring it like all the way down here, and then it'll start falling. But if it's like this, it'll bounce right back. I love these for inside events. Love them, love them, love them. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you how you put these together in this video. Hopefully you guys love this video. You like, you follow, you share. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really need to need you guys' help to help my YouTube channel grow. And please make sure you share this with your loved ones. And if you try this, please tag me. Please tag me in your video. Please let me know that you tried it. Please let me know you followed my video and that you put it together. And how did it come out? Please tag me in a picture that you did using these balloon columns, stands in your designs. All right, everyone. Until we meet again, I want you guys to be safe. And make sure you go out and buy these for your balloon column stands. All right, bye.